You're staring at a stripped screw head. Again, your hand is cramping from driving the 47th fastener into that IKEA cabinet, and you're wondering why you didn't just buy the right tool in the first place. Here's the truth. The right electric screwdriver doesn't just save time. It saves your sanity, your wrists, and those expensive materials you're about to ruin with the wrong torque setting. Today, I'm breaking down 6 electric screwdrivers that actually matter in 2026. We're talking verified specs, real-world applications, and honest assessments of who should buy what. No fluff, no fake field tests, just the data and engineering that separates garage-grade tools from legitimate problem solvers. All product links are in the description below. Number 6. Black+Decker 3.6-volt Rapid Driver. The Black+Decker 3.6-volt Rapid Driver isn't trying to be a contractor's workhorse. It's engineered for homeowners who need to assemble furniture, hang pictures, or tighten cabinet hardware without reaching for a manual screwdriver 50 times a month. The core specs: 3.6 volts, pushing 5.5 Newton-meters of torque through a 180 RPM motor. That translates to 48 inch-pounds, enough to handle standard wood screws up to 2 inches in pine or particle board. But you're not driving lag bolts here. The 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery gives you approximately 500 screws on a full charge, or 100 screws after just 15 minutes of USB charging. The pivoting trigger design reduces wrist strain during extended assembly sessions. The integrated LED illuminates your work surface, though it's positioned slightly forward of optimal for tight cabinet interiors. Who's this for? Apartment dwellers, first-time homeowners, and anyone whose heavy construction involves putting together a bookshelf or replacing outlet covers. It's a kitchen drawer tool that actually earns its spot. The limitation: at 180 RPM and modest torque, you'll bog down on hardwoods or metal fasteners. But for $35 to $45, you're getting legitimate utility for 90% of household tasks. Number 5. Stihl Twist 2.0. The Stihl Twist 2.0 represents genuine innovation at a consumer price point. That patent-pending pivoting head isn't marketing gimmick. It's mechanical problem-solving. The head locks at 3 positions: 0 degrees for standard inline driving, 22.5 degrees for awkward angles, and 45 degrees for truly confined spaces like the back corner of entertainment centers or underneath kitchen cabinets. This matters because the alternative is often a separate right-angle attachment or just giving up on proper access. Performance specs: 4 volts driving 2.5 Newton-meters of torque at 240 RPM. That's 22 inch-pounds, less than the Black+Decker. But here's where the 3-stage torquey control becomes critical. You can dial down for electronics assembly or dial up for furniture hardware, all while maintaining that 240 RPM speed. The USB-C charging is 2026 appropriate. No proprietary cables, no hunting for the right charger, just plug into the same cable that charges your phone. Field usage suggests approximately 300 to 400 screws per charge for typical applications. Who should buy this? DIY enthusiasts who need access flexibility, and anyone working in tight spaces regularly, RV modifications, boat interiors, PC case builders who hate fighting motherboard standoffs in cramped corners. At $40 to $50, the Twist 2.0 delivers exceptional practical utility. The weakness: that pivoting head adds bulk. It's not pocketable like a straight barrel driver. Number 4. Fantic E1 Max. Precision. The Fantic E1 Max isn't competing with construction tools. It's engineered for precision electronics repair. Dual torque settings: 0.05 Newton-meters for delicate work on smartphones, watches, and eyeglasses. 0.2 Newton-meters for laptop disassembly, drone repairs, and electronics assembly. Both settings operate at a constant 200 RPM. There's also a manual mode delivering up to 3 Newton-meters when you need to break free a seized microfastener. The 50-piece S2 hardened steel bit collection covers 9 categories, everything from pentalobe for iPhones to precision torques for security fasteners. The magnetic storage case keeps organization clean, and that pop-up mechanism provides satisfying tactile feedback. Battery performance: approximately 400 screws per USB-C charge. The 4 integrated LED lights create a ring of illumination around the work area, genuinely helpful when you're staring into a laptop chassis or smartphone interior. Who needs this? Electronics repair technicians, IT professionals, hobbyists building custom mechanical keyboards, drone operators. This is the tool for people who know what a Torx T3 is and why they need one. The limitation: this is not a general-purpose driver. At 0.2 Newton-meters maximum electric torque, you're not assembling furniture. Stay in your lane, precision electronics, and the E1 Max is exceptional. Price point around $60 to $75 makes sense when you factor in the 50-bit collection and magnetic case. Number 3. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 2402. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel 2402 isn't pretending to be subtle. It's engineered to drive fasteners all day long without thermal dropout or power fade. The power-state brushless motor generates 325 inch-pounds of peak torque. That's 27 Newton-meters. That's 6 times the torque of the Black+Decker and nearly 4 times the Bosch. The 2-speed transmission provides 0 to 450 RPM for high torque applications and 0 to 1,700 RPM when you need speed over power. The M12 Red Lithium 2.0 amp-hour battery pack delivers genuine all-day runtime for professional applications. Milwaukee's claims of 20% more power and double the recharge cycles appear verified in field usage. The 18-position clutch provides precise torque control, critical when switching between drywall screws and finish work. Weight sits at 2 pounds with battery, noticeably heavier than consumer models, but that mass contributes to stability during high-torque applications. Who's this for? Electricians running conduit, HVAC technicians, cabinet installers, furniture manufacturers, anyone driving hundreds of fasteners per day in professional environments. The M12 Fuel justifies its $140 to $160 price point through durability and compatibility with Milwaukee's entire M12 battery ecosystem. The trade-off: this is overkill for casual home use. Number 2. Bosch GSR12V-300. The Bosch 12-volt Max GSR12V-300HX delivers professional-grade performance in the most ergonomically intelligent package of this entire lineup. Brushless motor, providing 300 inch-pounds of torque at speeds up to 1,750 ERPM. That 2-speed transmission offers 0 to 460 RPM for high-torquey driving, or 0 to 1,750 RPM for high-speed drilling and driving. And the 20+1 clutch settings provide granular torque control across 21 distinct positions, more precision than any other tool on this list. But here's what sets the Bosch apart. That pistol grip form factor, combined with only 1.3 pounds of tool weight, creates the best power-to-ergonomics ratio available. The 5-inch head length gets into spaces that defeat larger 12-volt competitors while maintaining full power delivery. The quick-change 1/4-inch hex chuck provides superior bit retention. And the LED is perfectly positioned for illuminating the work surface. Battery compatibility with the entire Bosch 12-volt Max ecosystem means you can share cells with their other professional tools. The 2.0 amp-hour pack provides extensive runtime, easily a full day of professional use. Who should buy this? Professional contractors who need one driver that handles everything from precision installations to structural fastening. Cabinet makers, finish carpenters. At $120 to $140 for the bare tool. The Bosch represents the best balance of professional capability and genuine usability for the widest range of applications. Number 1. DeWalt DCF680N2 Gyroscopic. The DeWalt DCF680N2 Gyroscopic screwdriver represents the most significant control interface innovation in cordless drivers in the past decade. Here's how it works. Twist your wrist right, the driver spins clockwise. Twist left, it reverses. The degree of wrist rotation controls speed. A small twist for fine control at low RPM, a full rotation for maximum 430 RPM speed. This intuitive control eliminates trigger modulation and provides finer speed adjustment across a wider control range than any traditional trigger system. The 8-volt Max platform with 40 inch-pounds of torque sits perfectly between consumer and pro-grade specifications. That's enough power for standard construction fasteners, electrical work, and HVAC applications, but with sufficient control for delicate switch plate installation. The 2-position handle transforms between inline and pistol grip without tools, legitimately useful when switching between overhead work and straight-ahead driving. The 15-position clutch provides precise torque limiting to prevent fastener damage. Battery performance. The 1.0 amp-hour 8-volt max cells deliver approximately 120 to 130 fasteners per charge. The dual battery kit ensures you're never waiting for a recharge mid-project. Weight. 1.1 pounds makes this the lightest 8-volt class driver available while maintaining professional build quality. Who's this for? Electricians who install dozens of switches and outlets daily, HVAC technicians, anyone who appreciates intuitive tool control. The gyroscopic control has a 5-minute learning curve, then becomes second nature. The price, approximately $100 for the dual battery kit, is justified by the unique interface and genuine professional build quality. For pure home use under $50. Black+Decker Rapid Driver handles the basics. For maximum value in tight spaces, Stihl Twist 2.0 at $45. For electronics repair exclusively, Fantic E1 Max at $70. For professional heavy-duty work, Milwaukee M12 Fuel at $150. For best professional versatility, Bosch GSR12V-300 at $130. For the most innovative control and best overall user experience, DeWalt DCF680N2 Gyroscopic at $100. Your move. Stop stripping screws and start driving them correctly.